So a monolith is an architectural decision.
Absolutely.
Just like a microservices architecture.
Yeah.
And every architecture has pros and cons.
Sure.
And people often forget that the monolith has a bunch of pros associated with it, even though it has some cons. So it's not monolith is always bad. That was just the pervasive mentality for people who want to try microservices, is that monoliths was just bad. The same way that people sometimes see Cold Fusion code and they're like, oh, Cold Fusion is bad, so we obviously have to rewrite this in Node or Golang or something to that effect. And I watched this presentation by Mark Richards, part of the O'Reilly Software Architecture Conference. And he was saying that the reason that microservices go so poorly sometimes is because people didn't address business concerns.
Yep.
They were addressing technology issues. And that they realized at the end that those technology issues weren't actually addressing business concerns, because microservices aren't a goal. So Sam Newman talks about this in his Monolith to Microservices book, which is a fantastic book. I think that should be required reading.
What is it called again? Yeah.
Monolith to Microservices, Evolutionary Patterns to Transform Your Monolith. And he talks about the fact that microservices are not a goal. You shouldn't sit down and just want to have microservices. Those microservices should be addressing problems, and those problems should speak to business concerns. And if you're not doing that, then you're going to end up like my team did a little bit in a world of hurt, where you incur a lot of the costs, but you're not getting a lot of the benefits.